What is a smoothie diet plan? A smoothie diet plan is a plan that involves consuming smoothies as your main source of nutrition. A smoothie diet plan is a diet that allows you to consume a healthy, nutritious, low-calorie smoothie that is low in calories, fat, and carbohydrates. A smoothie diet plan is a weight loss plan where you eat a smoothie for breakfast, lunch or dinner. A smoothie diet plan is a great way to help you get the nutrients your body needs while also helping you lose weight. Smoothies are quick and easy to make, and they can be made with a variety of healthy ingredients. Which smoothie diet plan is right for you? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, such as your weight loss goals, your budget, and your preference for convenience. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to lose weight, a meal replacement smoothie diet may be the best option for you. These diets typically involve replacing 1 or 2 meals per day with a nutritious smoothie, and eating a healthy diet for the rest of the day. If you're looking for a more cleansing and detoxifying diet, a detox smoothie diet may be a better option for you. In conclusion, the smoothie diet plan is a new type of diet that focuses on healthy food. The diet is based on fruit, veggies, and a small amount of protein. There are no grains, pasta or dairy. Thanks, see you in our next video. Get this book on delicious, easy-to-make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy, and incredible health, from the description below. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to share and subscribe.